Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best free Forex trading apps. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. The best free Forex trading applications are made available to traders at no cost. Trading apps are available on smartphones and other smart devices, offering investors complete flexibility to trade by downloading a free Forex trading application. Traders who are searching for a list of some of the best free Forex trading applications can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy application to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best free Forex trading apps. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Plus 500 and the Plus 500 trading application. Plus 500 is a popular online trading broker which has been in operation since 2008 and has multiple regulations in various jurisdictions and offers sophisticated online trading services to an array of traders from multiple countries around the world. With Plus 500, traders have access to over 2,000 financial instruments including Forex, Indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, shares, options, and ETFs. Plus 500 features an advanced, user-friendly, and reliable trading platform using the competitive trading conditions offered, which is available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Plus 500 features a demo account and one live trading account, which was specifically designed to cater to various levels of trading for beginners and professionals alike, regardless of their trading needs, objectives, or trading experience, to ensure that traders have a dynamic and secure trading environment. Plus 500 also provides their very own educational panel, which delves into various beginner trading topics, an economic calendar, a variety of risk management tools, as well as a trader's guide, which covers a variety of popular trading strategies and guides to help you with any additional education that you might be looking for. At number 4 on our list, we have XTB and XStation Mobile. XTB is a European broker that was founded in 2002, has offices in 13 countries across the globe, is regulated by the UK Financial Conduct Authority, combines financial services with innovative technology, and supports a wide range of languages. XTB specializes in trading through Forex, indices, commodities, stock CFDs, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard, Pro, and Islamic accounts, with up to 1,500 tradable instruments, lower spreads, automated trading, free account setups, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, XStation 5, and XStation Mobile applications, which feature integration with NinjaTrader and are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. XTB also provides their very own educational center, which features basic, intermediate, expert, and advanced courses in financial trading that delve into topics such as introductions, lessons in platform functionality, a market news and analysis panel, their very own market calendar, as well as a trader's library for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with XTB. Coming in at number 3 on our list, we have IG and the IG mobile trading application. IG was founded in 1974 and is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority in the United Kingdom and the Australian Securities and Investments Commission in Australia, specializing in trading through Forex, indices, shares, commodities, options, and bonds. Featured platforms are available on the IG trading platform and the MetaTrader 4 platform. Both are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. IG only offers two main types of trading accounts and a demo account. The standard account is for retail day traders, and the more premium account for high net worth traders. The specific professional account requires certain criteria to be met regarding experience and trading capital, and allows greater levels of leverage in exchange for less regulatory protection. Their standard CFD account includes no setup fees or annual charges, access to demo accounts, live streaming charts, tools, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week customer phone support, and more. IG also provides their very own educational academy that delves into news and analytics, guides in risk management, webinars that you can register to, topics in strategy and planning, as well as their very own Academy mobile application for you to learn from if you are searching for any additional educational resources with IG. At number 2 on our list, we have FXTM and the FXTM Trader mobile application. FXTM is an online, fully regulated financial broker. Founded in 2011, FXTM primarily remains a MetaTrader-only broker and offers 7 account types that provide traders with access to up to 59 currency pairs, as well as CFDs on 173 single stock shares. FXTM provides services and specializes in trading through Forex, precious metals, CFDs, commodities, CFD indices, and cryptocurrencies. Available accounts are featured on Standard, Cent, CFD, Stocks, ECN 0, ECN, and FXTM Pro accounts with swap-free options, a variety of base currency options, instant executions, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the FXTM Trader application, which is available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM also provides their very own Learning Center, which covers a video learning library, seminars, webinars, trading articles, a variety of ebooks, great customer support, and more if you are looking to expand your trading education with FXTM. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best free Forex trading applications, we have Avatrade with Avatrade Options and Avatrade Go. Avatrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker, which was founded in 2006, is regulated by the Central Bank of Ireland, the ASIC, FSA, FSB, and the BVI. Over 200,000 traders choose Avatrade for their preferred financial broker. Avatrade specializes in trading through more than 250 instruments, which include more than 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, bonds, individual shares, ETFs, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread bidding, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade's WebTrader, and also features their very own mobile applications known as Avatrade Options and Avatrade Go, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best comprehensive educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, as well as a variety of ebooks that you can browse through if you are looking for a more in-depth educational experience with Avatrade. And those are some of the top 5 best free Forex trading apps on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.